In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Tracfone SIM card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, before I start teaching you this process of activating a Tracfone SIM card, I do want to make it very clear that there are various ways in which you can go about activating your new Tracfone actual device or SIM card. For this video, I'm going to do this process on the Tracfone support page. You can visit this page at support.tracfone.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. And like I said, this is going to be one of the methods. So if you wish to follow along with this method, double check your device model, see if it is listed here and on the Tracfone support page. All that you have to do is click activation at the right side of the screen under the Need Help Troubleshooting category. Immediately upon clicking activation, the page is going to reload and this little chat window at the right side of the screen is going to open up. In here, you will have to provide some information regarding your Tracfone SIM card. So as you can see, if we follow along, to activate your device, the first thing that you have to input is your device's IMEI. Afterwards, if you have a BYOP SIM kit, you will have to enter the SIM number. As long as you can provide this information here and reply, the bot is going to talk back to you and tell you if it is a valid number that you input. As you can clearly notice, unfortunately, I do not have an active Tracfone SIM card to demonstrate this whole process, but all you have to do is include this personal information here. Once you are done, follow the instructions on screen presented in this chat window and your Tracfone SIM card will be activated. Now, like I said in the beginning, there are other methods in which you can go about activating your SIM card. Another one that I want to highlight is the option to call their customer support directly. So on this same page, support.tracfone.com, you can scroll down and call their customer support directly at this number. So as you can see, if you call them at the phone support number 1-800-867-7183, you will be able to talk to their agents and they will help and guide you through the process of activating the SIM card. So if you don't want to do this process manually on your end, just call this number instead and provide the necessary information for the Tracfone support agents to help you. Afterwards, you can browse through the frequently asked questions to manage your account, but for the most part, it is a process that you can do on your own, and I highly recommend that you try it out by clicking the activation option at the right. As long as you provide the necessary information here, your Tracfone SIM card will be activated, ready to go in no time. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate a Tracfone SIM card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.